Jai Shri Ram, surrendering to the feet of Sri Rama. Om Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvatam Padam Lokabhiramam Sri Ramam Bhogyo Bhogyo Namamyaham Karkate Purva Palgunyam Tulasi Kananodbhabam Pandye Vishwambaram Godam Vande Sri Ranganayaki Andal Tirubadigalé Sharanam. Day 28 Tirupavai Pashuram 28. Karavehal Pinchandaganam Chendunbam Harivandamilladahai Kulat Untannai Piravi Perundanai Punniyam Yamudiyam Kurai Bondamillada Govinda Untannal Varavel Namakkingolikkabuliyadu Ariyada Pillaihalum Manbinal Untannai Chiruveralai Tanuvam Siriyaruladu Iraiva Nitarai Parayelur Yambavai Karavehal Pinchanduganam Jendunbam Arivandamilladai Kulat Untannai Piravi Perundanai Punniyam Yamadiyam Kurai Varunamillada Govinda Untannal Varavel Namakkingolikkabuliyadu Ariyada Pillaihalum Manbinal Untannai Chiruveralai Taruvam Siriyaruladu Iraiva Nitarai Parayelur Yambavai. Meaning, let us follow the cows which are going to the forest and eat Lord's Pongal Prasadam at the forest. We are without much intelligence. We are very fortunate to be born in this clan and be in your midst. You are the truly blemishless, my Lord Govinda. The attachment and the relationship between you and us is unbreakable. We are all small girls with love and affection might have called you different names in singular. Please forgive all of us. O Lord, please grant us the boon that we seek. Om Tatti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisham Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janah Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Shri Ram.